So I've got this problem, and it says acetylene is a flammable gas used in welding. The boiling point of acetylene is a negative 84 degrees centigrade. If a sample of acetylene was cooled to 32 degrees below its boiling point, where it would become a solid, what would this temperature be? Hey, my key here is, let's grab this highlighter and highlight these words, below its boiling point. So when we go below, are we adding or subtracting? The answer to that is subtracting. So now let's write our equation. We're first starting out with this negative 84. And remember, we are subtracting because we're going below that point by an additional 32 degrees centigrade. Let me circle this, and let me circle this. Actually, I'm using the highlighter, so I should switch to my pen, right? And I have two negative numbers. When my signs are the same, I must add them together and keep the sign. So I have 84 plus 32. And remember, they're both negative, so before I go any further, I'm just going to put my negative sign there so I don't lose it. 4 plus 2 is 6. 8 plus 3 is 11. So our answer here is a negative 116 degrees centigrade. Watch this video again as many times as it takes if you don't understand it. This one just involves a little bit of careful reading and figuring out, am I looking for a number that's smaller or bigger? And in this case, it was going smaller because we went down by an additional 32 degrees.